welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're doing a car cleaning routine. This is what I do, I want to say monthly, but honestly...
I'm still doing about it. I am Jacob's mommy's helper. I am sunglasses.
Yes, he's mommy's helper with the sunglasses. As I was saying, I'm guilty of not doing this as often as I should. I have a 2- and a 3-year-old and the car just gets so destroyed all the time. And I try to be good with no snacks in the car, but Tim Hortons drive-thru just gets you with those Timbits. It is going to be a hot mess. Stay tuned. Please subscribe. Hit the bell notification button. My name's Julie. I'd love to have you.
The mailman will come and get the mail.
Yeah, bud. That's right.
That's for you, Mommy.
That's right. Alright, let's get started in this video.
And what's that store? And they're big, but don't remember they're big thumbs up.
Big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up. Let's get into it. Alright, so to kick off this car clean, this is my husband's ginormous car detailing bag. It has leather lotions in there, car wax, all-purpose cleaners, so I kind of just navigated my way and kind of guessed it a little bit. First things first, I went ahead and took out all the junk in the car. I took out the kids' car seats, kind of revealed what was underneath them, took out all the random toys and random napkins, garbage, you name it. I took it all out.
All my toys go in there. I dropped them all in there, so I'll be getting them out. Wait, I got all my toys out.
Good job. Bless his heart, he's such a good little helper. He took out all the things that were smushed down into the seatbelt pockets that only his little hands could grab. So he helped me with that, but where the real struggle and the real mess was in the back trunk. As you can see, I have so many things just thrown in there. And let me just clarify, that big bag of garbage isn't actually garbage. It was all kid clothes that I was passing on to a friend. So after I cleared out the trunk, obviously I went ahead with my favorite cleaning device ever, my little Dyson handheld V7 Motorhead. And yeah, vacuumed out the entire back, and then here I'm just pulling out all of the WeatherTech floor mats. I do live in Canada, so I feel like the WeatherTech floor mats are a lifesaver. I would highly recommend them. And yeah, here I am just pulling them all out, even in the front. And then I'm getting my super cute little helper to go ahead and use his favorite tool ever, the hose, and wash them all. And then here I'm just using actually a really generic cleaner. I'm not dedicated to any cleaning brands yet, so really whatever I can one-stop shop, I pick up. This is the Mr. Clean all-purpose cleaner, and here I am just scrubbing it with a scrubby sponge. I scrubbed them so well, and I still feel like they didn't turn out that clean. I showed my husband, and he said, oh, it's because I usually pressure wash them at work, and I thought, ah, well that's why. But they still did look very clean, and I was very happy with them, but they're not as clean as if my husband pressure washed them, and I definitely noticed that. So at this point, now the mats are drying, the back is all vacuumed out, and I just want to quickly wipe everything down, get rid of all those sticky hand germs, just wiping all of the surfaces down with this leather spray by Chemical Guys. My husband seems to really like this brand and swears by them, and I love it. It worked really well, and it smells amazing. As I'm wiping everything down, I'm also taking the opportunity to de-junk the side doors. And then I switch over to another Chemical Guys brand lotion. This one's called a Natural Shine, just for all-purpose surfaces, and I found it did a really good job at collecting all the dust, especially on that front dash. Look in the middle console, collect all the things that don't need to be in there, and yeah, just keep going.
What you give is what you get. I don't care to start a fight. I don't want you to say how it feels so alone, but I don't care what you do. It's up to me to say I'm sorry. It's easy to try. I can chase my heart away.
And we're so close to being done. Here's the back trunk. Super minimal. I just have the stroller, my diaper bag, and some grocery bags. One thing that I wish I did, I just completely forgot, was Windexing the inside of the windows. It'll be on my to-do list for next time. Here are the last clips of me vacuuming the front and then the back seat and putting back in the clean floor mats. I also didn't film the car seats going back into the car because, as you can see here, I'm taking the covers off, and I did throw them in the washer that night. I don't do that nearly as often as I should, but holy cow, does it ever make a difference. And that's everything for this video, guys. Give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, share, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video.